Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a joint plot in the Python visual in Power BI. So let's start. I've already got a data set here with me, and what I'll do is I'll also upload this file into GitHub so you can download the file and do the tutorial with me. Please go and have a look at the video notes should you want to download the file. So I've got this table here which basically shows me the total sales amount and total product cost, and I normally like to start with that, where I like to visualize my data in a tabular format where before I convert it into a Python visual. So I'll just do a Control-C and Control-V. I'll move this around and I'll just click the Python visual and I'll just move this up, and you can see it's what it does is it's getting a data set and it's removing the duplicate rows for sales amount and total product cost. So I'm fine with that, and now what I'll do is I'll just go import Seaborn as SNS and import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and we'll hit a space. And now what we will do is we'll just create it. So we'll just go sns.jointplot and we'll just say X. So we'll put sales amount on the X axis. So we'll open the quotes and we'll just type in sales amount. I'll just hit tab, that's fine. And for Y I will type in is equal to total product cost. I'm fine with that. And then I'll just say data is equal to data set. That's pretty much the code, all the code I need. Well, I lied. You need to show it, you have to do plt.show. So another line that we need to add here, and we'll just run this visual. And we'll put this into focus mode. Oops, what happened there? So I've got a problem here where I've not written this properly. So this is joint plot, and now I'll just run this again and I'll put this into focus mode. So it's just showing me a single dot, and that's because if I go here and click here, I can see it's summarized. So I'll just check don't summarize, and I'll do the same for total product cost. So I'll just say don't summarize, and it gives us the joint plot for total product cost versus sales amount. So in this video we've learned how to create a joint plot in the Python visual in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.